Hello everyone and welcome back at Schmidt Projects. Today I'm showing you the first order walker of episode 7, and I just remember we have seen him in only 2 scenes, I guess. The one was when Han, Chewie and Finn tried to infiltrate the building and we saw them walking down over the field, and the other time in the base right before the planets were destroyed in the back. We didn't get a closer view of them, but I think KevFed 2011 did an amazing job on them, and I was forced to show them to all of my subscribers. Until now I haven't seen one single First Order Walker mock, so I'm not really surprised, cause we more or less have to guess how he really in detail looks like. He has, as far as we know, 2 strong blasters in the front, 4 legs and a bigger body. It's like a newer version of the AT-AT, which is and think will still remain my favorite walker of all Star Wars movies. This year looks cool, but I nevertheless think there is something missing. I question myself, where is the head? So a nice but unusual walker, great detail, and let's see what episode 8 will bring to us. Now I am excited for the Rouge One movie this year. Tell me in the comments what you think of this walker, if you like it or think, nah, they were a bit lazy designing him and should have made this to an end. As always, you would do me a great favor if you put a thumb up and subscribe to this channel for more awesome mocks and tutorials so that you don't miss anything. I hope we see you soon in the next update video. I wish everyone a great day and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.